Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have tried installing Windows 11 and saw this annoying message, this PC doesn't currently meet Windows 11 system requirements, don't worry, you're not alone. In today's video, I will walk you through why this message appears and what it means, and most importantly, how to fix it or work around it. Let's dive in. So what's really going on here? Windows 11 has stricter requirements than Windows 10. Here is what Microsoft wants your PC to have: supported 64-bit CPU, 4 gigs of RAM or more, 64 gigs storage, UEFI firmware with secure boot, TPM 2.0, trusted platform model, and a DirectX 12 compatible graphics card. If you're missing just one of these, you'll see that warning. Let's figure out what's wrong with your PC. Step 1. Download the free PC Health Check tool from Microsoft. Link will be in description below. It'll tell you exactly what part of your system doesn't meet the requirements. The most common problems can be TPM 2.0 not enabled or secure boot turned off, or sometimes can be your CPU is older. So use this tool to check your system and see exactly what parts are you missing. Good news, a lot of PCs have these features, they're just turned off. So let's see how to enable TPM and secure boot quickly. Restart your PC and enter your BIOS or UEFI settings. Usually you hit delete or F2 or some of these keys while it's booting. Look for TPM or PTT and secure boot, turn them on, save and exit. Now if your processor is too old, like older than 8th gen or Intel or 2nd gen Ryzen, Microsoft blocks it. Also, if you're still using legacy BIOS, Windows 11 won't install without switching to UEFI and converting your disk to GPT. Bypass the restrictions at your own risk. Now listen, this part is not officially supported by Microsoft, but many people use it without problems. Here are two simple methods. Method number 1, which is Rufus USB tool. Download Rufus, grab a Windows 11 ISO and create a bootable USB. During setup, Rufus lets you skip TPM, secure boot and RAM checks. Super easy. The second method, which is Registry Hack. If you are already in Windows setup and get blocked, press Shift plus F10, type regedit and go to this path, HK local machine system setup. Right click and click on New Key, name it lab config. Inside it, add these D word values and set them all to 1. Alright. Now go back and restart the installation. Now should you upgrade or stick with Windows 10? If your PC doesn't meet the requirements and you're not comfortable with doing tweaks, it's totally fine to stay on Windows 10. It's still supported until October 2025. I hope this video helped you understand what's really going on and what you can do about it. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and I will help you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss future tips. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Have a good day.